So as you can see now, each 1 gig of data, you'll be able to get it at 133 naira, and you'll be able to use this for a month. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to buy MTN data at a cheap price after the price increase. So in recent, as you can see now, I think it's just recently MTN revealed some codes that you can be able to use them to buy MTN data at a cheap price. As you can see now, after the price increase, now they give out some code to buy the cheapest price on the MTN. So first of all, after you open up your dialing session, as you can see now, like this one, there is 3 methods to buy the MTN data. So the first method is, as you can see now, I'll show you the first and second and the third method. So the last method is the best one. You can be able to buy the last method like 1 gig at almost like under 200 naira. You can be able to buy 1 gig. So after the price increase. So now the first method to buy the MTN data is star 312 hash. So if you dial in star 312 hash like this one, and so as you can see now in this section, you can be able to see data plan, social bundle. So just go and select the first option, which is data bundle, data plan. So in this section now, as you can see now, after you come to this section now, you choose data plan like this one. So in this section, you can be able now to go and select the option that you want. As you can see now, there is daily, weekly, monthly, 2 to 3 month, and so on. So for me, let's say I want just go ahead and choose the weekly and see how it goes. So I'll tap on the send. So as you can see now, for the weekly now, after the price increase, now they increase the 1 gig, as you can see now, to 800. As you can see now, they increase the 1 gig to 800, 7 gig to 3000. That's 1.5 gig to 1000. That's 5 gig for 15,000 naira. So now the best method to buy the cheap price is, as you can see now, I'll show you now the best method. So now cancel this one. So the best method now, this is the best method. I'll just show you now just two methods. That's the first one. The first one is so like higher, the price is too high. So now this is the code that MTN just revealed. You can be able to use this code to buy data at a cheap price. So now I'll just type in star 312 star 163 hash. So star 312 star 163 hash. So now dial in. So now if you call, wait it to finish loading. So as you can see now, now this plan is absolutely crazy. As you can see now, this plan is absolutely crazy. As you can see now, here it says you'll be able now to get, you'll be able to, as you can see now, you'll be charged 6,000 naira for 45 gigabyte monthly, always on plan. As you can see now, to proceed, select 1 or select 2. If you select this one, it will auto renew. If you select this second option, if you buy it just once, it will just cancel the subscription. Then next month you must go and follow the step to subscribe. And if you just tap on this the third option, buy for a friend, you can be able to buy this plan for your friend, for your girlfriend, or for your child, or for your daughter, whether if he is like in school or somewhere. So for me, I will just choose the second option. I'll just choose the one off. Oh, I just delayed, that's why it just cancel. 63 hash call. So I'll just choose second option 2. So as you can see now, here it says activate of 45 gig monthly always plan failed due to insufficient balance, freeze the chat. So for me now, I don't have the 6,000 naira on my I did not recharge my line with 6,000 naira. So if you want to buy this plan, all you have to do now, go and recharge a recharge card for 6,000 naira to your MTN line. Then you can just go ahead now and type in this code star 312 star 163 hash. Then you can follow the process and go and subscribe. If you do not add the credit card to your line, it will not allow you to buy this data plan. So as you can see now, let's go and calculate how much is 1 gig if you buy it for 45 naira. So 45,000, 45 gig. Let's say 6,000 naira divided by 45. So as you can see now, you'll be able to get the 1 gigabyte at a price of, as you can see now, 133 naira. 6,000, as you can see now, you'll be able to get 1 gig 1 gig of data. If you follow this space, you do if you follow now this process, you'll be able to get the 1 gigabyte of data as can see now at what, at 1000 like at 133 naira, as can see now. If you follow this step that I just shown you in this video, you'll be able to get, as can see now, let's calculate 6,000 again, divide by 45. So as can see now, each 1 gig of data, you'll be able to get it at 133 naira. And you'll be able to use this for a month. That's it, guys, on how to buy a cheap data on MTN. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.